In today's digital age, the explosion of cloud-native applications and services has transformed how we connect. Yet managing these connections across Kubernetes clusters, data centers, and cloud providers remains a daunting challenge. Traditional multi-tool approaches often lead to inefficiencies and errors. As organizations juggle multiple solutions, the complexity of managing application connectivity becomes increasingly overwhelming. Enter Red Hat Connectivity Link, a modern solution designed to simplify application connectivity. Built on the open-source Quadrant project, it adheres to Kubernetes native standards, ensuring seamless integration. This integrated solution streamlines operations and enhances security across diverse environments, offering a unified approach to managing connectivity challenges. Red Hat Connectivity Link offers advanced traffic management and policy enforcement. With role-based access control within Kubernetes, it ensures secure and efficient connectivity management. The solution unifies connectivity configurations and policies, providing a consistent management experience across all Kubernetes clusters. By consolidating traffic routing, security, and policy management into a single solution, Red Hat Connectivity Link reduces complexity and enhances efficiency for development and platform teams. Supporting both single and multi-cluster Kubernetes environments, it offers a streamlined approach to connectivity management, making it ideal for diverse deployment scenarios. Red Hat Connectivity Link is perfect for managing connectivity in generative AI and edge deployments. Its compatibility with orchestrators like Istio and OpenShift Service Mesh ensures flexibility. Providing a consistent experience across all Kubernetes clusters, it addresses the connectivity needs of modern IT organizations effectively. Red Hat Connectivity Link is now available. Access resources to learn more and connect with Crossvale experts to explore the benefits of a unified connectivity approach. Take the first step towards simplified connectivity management. Discover how Red Hat Connectivity Link can transform your application connectivity strategy today. Connect with Crossvale at crossvale.com